Guess who's back? Back again. Maul TV! Ha ha ha. No more Alex and Annabelle TV. Only Maul. And I'm gonna open up more stuff that I shouldn't. Alex can't keep me away. I get to open up whatever I want. Because I'm Maul. Let's use the Force. Now he's gone. Vader. I'm the real Sith Lord. Who is this Vader? I don't know who he is, but I'm gonna show him up. Let's see. Look at this. He's not a Sith Lord like me. He's a bit more movable than what I am. Oh, look at that cape. I should get me one of those. Next time I'm gonna get me a cape like that now too. Ha 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 ha. The Black series. Man, that's what I need to write. Send me a cape. So, Vader, he has a lightsaber, he can move and kick, so he can stomp people, just like Sith Lords do. They don't play around. The cape looks like it's real cloth. I got this plastic, what's up with that? A belt? I want one of those too. Very articulate. Number 6, Darth Vader. Who is this clown? He is the evil Sith Lord Darth Vader. Captures the rebel heroes when they arrive in Bespin Cloud City. It's from a long, long time ago. Back in 2013. He's nothing compared to the power of Maul. So, what trouble should I get into next? Let me concentrate. I hate you, Darth Vader! Ooh. Next will be Rey. Tune in next time when I steal the TV to Maul TV.